What's up, y'all? Dominoes in this bag. But anyway, let me live this TV up.
Happy birthday to you, and a happy birthday to Liz.
All right.
She is celebrating her 81st birthday today.
So I'm lining up the TV right now.
So what we do?
Your old buddy Eugene's fiance's having a birthday too, so he wanted to shout out.
Okay. Eugene's fiance. And everybody who's having a birthday today.
I don't know.
Here we go, Sheba. I'm ready, girl. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday
To you. Yeah. Thank you, gentlemen.
Well, I have to film that, folks.
Some farewell wishes that people are sending on social media. This is one of my favorite ones, Eric, with a shout out to you. It says, who gets the house and who gets the cars and the boats, Sally Ann or Eric? Because they're like a family. This one is hilarious. This one says, selfless describes you. I've been watching you since I was a little girl. WWLTV will not be the same.
Oh, yeah. Well, anyway. All right, y'all. What I want to talk about. I mean, I was waiting on the last segment. I'm so sorry. I stopped the tape. I was being so impatient, you know. So so I hope y'all viewers heard it, you know. I really hope y'all heard it. I allowed the TV up as best as I could, you know. So I mean, on the. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm watching it right now, you know. So, where I think about it, folks, I'm very thankful to watch Sally Ann. I've been watching Sally Ann Roberts since I was a little boy, and I know some of you been watching this Sally Ann Roberts since y'all was little, you know. So I want to tell y'all, I don't know how my mind was when Sally Ann Roberts started, you know. I think my mom was a teenager when she started, you know. She was born in 1959, my mom, you know. So, well, I didn't know Miss Sally Ann liked stuffed bell pepper, but I never tried stuffed bell pepper before, you know. Okay, so I eat bell peppers and beans and gumbo, you know. All right. So anyway, folks, I'm sure gonna miss Miss Sally Ann, you know. My internet's acting up, so I'm using my webcam on the recording, you know. If my internet / Wi-Fi wasn't acting up, well, my Wi-Fi is all right. What I mean by if my internet wasn't acting up, I would have been doing the live footage on this computer, on Facebook or whatever, on YouTube too, you know. I'm sure gonna miss Miss Sally Ann, you know. She was the best anchor a brother could ever watch, you know. I'm not gonna say the N-word, you know, cause I don't like using that N-word, you know. Sometimes I'll use it uncontrollably, and then sometimes it slip out, you know. So I mean, that my first time ever watching Miss Sally Ann and Mr. Eric Paulson, you know. So you know what? I have a feeling Eric Paulson gonna be the next to retire too. Y'all keep that in mind, okay? I think it's gonna be 5 or 6 or 7 months from now, or next year, or something like that. Probably 2019 or 2020. I don't know. We gonna have to see if that's gonna happen. The man that started it all, I ain't know who started it all, you know. And then he added Don Westbrook a long time ago, you know. So Sally Ann Roberts and Eric Paulson started the same year, the same week. Yes, indeed. So becoming best friends just like that, like me and Tanya was best friends when we first met, you know. So, all right. So, oh, wait a minute. Let me show y'all in the kitchen for the last time, you know. But you know what? I guarantee y'all one thing. I want to let y'all know something. When Eric Paulson's last day come on Channel 4, I guarantee y'all, Sally Ann is gonna be back on the set visiting. Trust me, y'all. Sally Ann is gonna come back to the studio. Mark my words. Eric Paulson gonna be the next to retire one day, probably this year coming around Christmas, or next year after Mardi Gras. Mark my words, y'all. Okay. All right, so he gonna be truly missed too, you know. So that's all Dominoes 7 got to say. Okay, I'm about to go help my mom out. Okay, so thank y'all for watching. Okay, bye.